Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Have you ever encountered the Scotiabank Error Code RDC001 while depositing a check through the Scotiabank app? This error often pops up when users attempt to snap a picture of their check. As per our research, this error has very little to do with the users and mainly comes from the app's side. The good news is that there are several workarounds to tackle this issue. If these don't solve the problem, a little patience might be required. Wait a day or two or consider reaching out to Scotiabank support for assistance. Let's dive into the fixes for Scotiabank Error Code RDC001. Firstly, try closing the app and then relaunching it. Afterward, give submitting your check another shot. It's a simple solution, but you'd be surprised how often it does the trick. If the error still persists, think about restarting your phone. Additionally, check if there are any pending updates for the Scotiabank app. If there are, go ahead and update the app, then see if the error is still present. Still no luck? The next step involves reinstalling the Scotiabank app. Simply uninstall the app from your phone and then restart the device. Once your phone's back up and running, head to the App Store and reinstall the Scotiabank app. Once the app is reinstalled, check if the error is still making an appearance. If, after all these steps, the error continues to pop up, then it might be time to take a breather. Wait a day or two before trying again. Alternatively, it could be time to reach out to Scotiabank support to report the issue. In summary, the fixes for Scotiabank Error Code RDC001 involve closing and relaunching the app, restarting your phone, updating the app if necessary, and reinstalling the app. If all else fails, take a break or contact Scotiabank support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.